The last drawing we're going to do is our transform fault. And this is where you have two plates. Remember, it's all about charades when you're working with plate tectonics. And we're actually moving side to side. So you're going to have earthquake activity. You're not really going to have any volcanic or melting magma or lava activity at the site of a transform boundary. So let's begin. We're going to go ahead and start with our green. So one side is going one way. This side is going the other way. And this is going to be our crust. We're only going to label one side. Next, you'll need your brown. We're going to label the solid mantle. There is the solid mantle. Next, let's go ahead and label the molten magma. This is where your convection currents are. Molten magma. Okay, and what I'm going to do is, I think to make it a little bit easier to see, let's go ahead and extend this line. I'm going to bring this one down. So you can see we've got two different plates moving in two different directions, so fix that. Now we need to draw our conduction currents. So again, we're kind of moving away from each other. So this one is moving this way as rock melts. This one is moving the other way. And then when the rock cools, right, it goes back down into the mantle and gets remelted. So let's go ahead and label our convection currents. Okay, let's go ahead and add on our labels. Now we need to label our lithosphere. So get your brown. So the lithosphere is going to be the crust and your solid layer. Next, we're going to label the asthenosphere. So go ahead and get your red. So that's going to be this part going down. That's your asthenosphere. Lastly, grab your black. We're going to label the mantle. Remember, the mantle is part of the solid part of the mantle, right underneath the crust, and includes the molten magma. So this right here, going all the way down, that's going to be your mantle. As you can see, I kind of ran out of room. There are so many great pictures to look out there on the internet and so many different ways to draw it, but I hope this makes it a little more clear on how the plate boundaries work.